Hello, this is number 55 from 4.2, and this is where we get to construct a polynomial. So it's going to be a fourth degree, and we're told zeros are -3, -2, and 1, with a y-intercept of 18. Okay, so you might notice right off being fourth degree but having 3 zeros. That means one of these has to be a double zero, and it's really your pick. Now, if you read the instructions, it says the answers may not be unique, meaning there may be more than one answer for this problem. And you can make the -3 a double root, the -2 double root, or the 1 a double root. So I'm going to do this where the 1 is a double root. So we'd say something like f of x equals a. And I say a because we're given this condition that the y-intercept is 18. So this a is here so that we can plug things in. A could be 1, could be something else. We'll find out. A times x minus -3 times x minus -2 times x minus 1. We'll do that one as squared. So our f of x is going to be a times x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 1. And if I multiply through the x plus 3 times x plus 2, I get x squared plus 5x plus 6 times x squared minus 2x plus 1. So our f of x is a times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times minus 2x is minus 2x cubed. X squared times 1 is x squared. 5x times x squared is 5x cubed. 5x times minus 2x is minus 10x squared. 5x times 1 is 5x. 6 times x squared is 6x squared. 6 times minus 2x is minus 12x. And 6 times 1 is 6. So our f of x is going to be a times x to the fourth here. Now I have minus 2x cubed plus 5x cubed is going to give me plus 3x cubed. Now I have x squared minus 10x squared. That's going to be -9x squared plus 6x squared is minus 3x squared. We have 5x minus 12x is minus 7x. Then we have this 6 out there. Now, if we look at f of 0, we're going to have a times 0 to the fourth plus 3 times 0 cubed minus 3 times 0 squared minus 7 times 0 plus 6. And that's going to be 18 because that's our y-intercept. When x is 0, y is 18. That means that a times 6, because 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 0 plus 6 is 6, equals 18. Dividing by 6, a equals 3. So that means this is going to be f of x equals 3 times the quantity x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 3x squared minus 7x plus 6. Or f of x equals 3x to the fourth plus 9x cubed minus 9x squared minus 21x plus 18. And that's the answer they have. Now, it could have been to where we chose to make the -3 a double zero or the -2 a double zero. I chose this because that become x minus -3 becomes x plus 3, x minus -2 becomes x plus 2, and then we have x minus 1 times x minus 1. Well, when multiplying it out, we'd end up with the negatives, some of the negatives canceling. I mean, like x minus 1 times x minus 1. We have fewer negatives that way. Okay, well that's it. Hope it helped.